Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry building techniques and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
You can now start gluing together the pieces of the nozzles, and you'll notice there's two different kinds. There's one with a flat part on the back, and then there's the one with the just the ridges on it. These ones with the flat will go around the outside of the rocket, and then the ones with the ridges on them will go towards the middle, towards the center. To remove these from the sprue, just take your hobby knife and then just cut through them. We're going to use the liquid model cement again. Just going to take the two pieces and we're going to put them together, and there's little pins and holes that should help you align them. And just press them together, and you can see that the seam is really tight, which I like. And then use safety glasses for this stuff because it's liquid. You can use the paste kind too. This is just a little easier. And we're going to do it from the inside, so it'll keep our outside nice and smooth. And just run it along the seam on the inside. And just hold it there for a second. Let it dry. And then you can start the next one.